Hey guys and gals, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna mow some lawn. We're gonna cut some nice straight stripes. We're gonna take care of some patches in the backyard because the dog has been ripping it up. And you know, like all dogs, they gotta go to the bathroom, hopefully outside. But I don't have the grass seed here, so I'm gonna take you along to Home Depot. We're gonna find the grass seed that we need. But we're gonna mow first, we're gonna weed whack, we're gonna take care of the house, clean it up. So on that, let's get to it. So first things first, let's take care of this weed whacking. I've got about a 1,400 square foot house and a fence, and I'm on a corner lot, so I've got curb to weed whack as well, or edge. I do it all in one, don't need a separate edger. Just flip the weed whacker upside down and we'll take care of it. Put a comment down below and let me know what the worst thing with living on a corner lot so far for me is people throw their trash everywhere. Got tons of people walking around just doing their own thing, mind their own business, but they're throwing trash on my property. I work hard on my property. You don't need to be throwing trash. Hang on to it. Let's see what people did. Oh, it looks like we've got a Girl Scout Samoa's box. It's got like a cherry, a turnover. That's awesome. What else do we have here? We've got, who's eating teriyaki noodles on the walk? They have enough time to cook it with no boiling water, no microwave. And we've got some, looks like a cheese wrapper. Oh, provolone, not smoked. Smoked's way better. Smoked cheese is way better. So, yeah, let's clean up someone else's trash, because we just have a plastic bag. It's got some kind of yellow stuff in it. Not sure what it is. Some strudels. Okay, I thought it was a strudel. It's a turnover. And some Girl Scout Samoa containers. I love picking up people's trash.
day. This place, it is not our home. This night, going on too long. This dream where everything went wrong. I wanna scream, somebody shake me. But in the darkness, you see the truth is the light is shining like the lightning. I'm gonna let go. It's how we're gonna roll, turn the tide.
A few moments later.
Coming after me, ooh, you're living in a dream. Ooh, choke up, this is the real thing. Tired of evil rising, love, waking up, suffering, not gonna take me, I'll go down swinging. I'm gonna shine, I'm gonna fly, you knock me down, I'm gonna rise like the sun. Up from the door, you see my scars, but you won't deny the look in my eyes. I've become a radiant, 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 radiant.
All right, well, we finished all that up, but we took all the daylight. So I'm not even finished. I still got to cut the left side and the back. But I think I'm gonna make this a two-part series. Take you guys to Lowe's or Home Depot to pick up that grass seed. Show you those patches in part 2, and we'll go from there. Smash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2.